Huh. Weird shape. Nails. More nails. Big chunks of steel. Huh. More nails. More nails or welding rod. Yeah. Huh. That's a full magnet. I don't know what's all underneath it, but that's awesome. We're getting it out of there, that's for sure. Let's see if there's any money laying around here. No money, no bullets, no guns. I don't want the muck. And make everything smell. Yeah. So, all that was on my magnet. Plus there's a ton more still on it. Wow. Oh, what's that? I thought it was a bullet, just the color of it. Hey? I think it's a rock. Yeah, probably just a rock. Yeah. Bolts, nuts. Yeah. Alright, well. Clean this mess up. Definitely a bit heavy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're getting a lot of good stuff out of here today. Yeah. Toy guns, which that's what it was. We thought it was real at first, but I cleaned the barrel off enough to see, and it was a toy gun. But hey, it's still a gun. Pew pew. Still fun to get it out of the water. That's for sure. Oh yeah, part of a bucket handle, chunk of metal, and that's it.